Hi everyone, welcome to Diary Times and you are watching English section of Diary Times. I am Surbhi Mahajan. Let's start with today's headlines. Himachal Bank's NPA increased by rupees 710 crore amid corona crisis. The NPA non-performing assets of Himachal Pradesh banks increased to rupees 710.58 crore amid corona crisis. In June 2020, the NPA of the state banks was 3,551.53 crore records. The figure reached 4,262.11 crore after 3 quarters. The NPAs of the state banks have increased to 7.47%. The low debt collection in the 3 quarters between April and December 2020 has raised the concern of bankers. Preparations to increase electricity prices in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh 21.48 lakh domestic and 4.18 lakh consumers are expected to suffer a costly electric shock in the end of April. Citing a loss of rupees 251 crore, Electricity Board has filed a petition in the Regulatory Commission to increase the rates. The Commission has scheduled a public hearing on April 28 on the petition. During this time, consumer suggestions and objections regarding electricity rates will be recorded. CM Jairam Thakur has given a subsidy of 420 crore to the Electricity Board in the budget presented on 6 March, so there might be chances of not increasing the rates. 13 MLAs could not even give two priorities for their respective areas. The 13 MLAs of Himachal Pradesh were unable to disclose two or more priorities for their areas to the planning department. People are waiting to see whether their water, irrigation, or road plans have been given priority by the MLA. But it remains a puzzling maze for them. By finding the column blank in front of the name of the MLAs in the budget book. As a result, the columns in front of the names of their constituencies have to be left blank in the budget book for the upcoming financial year 2021-22, which is going to start from April 1st. Private banks that do not give benefit according to the government schemes will be on target. The schemes of Himachal Pradesh and central government which are not responded by the private banks and which do not benefit the people will have to go under investigation. Presiding over the 159th meeting of the state level bankers committee held in Shimla, Additional Chief Secretary Finance Prabodh Saxena took cognizance of this. He also warned private banks managers who came to attend the preparations meeting. Insurance companies were also wanted for not giving crop insurance claims on time. Construction of two tunnels hangs in Kiratpur Manali 4 lane. In the strategically important Kiratpur Manali 4 lane, the work of two important tunnels out of the 10 tunnels being constructed from Pando to Odd Hands in the middle. The length of both the tunnels reported in the DPR has been reduced by about 1500 meters. This was revealed when the work of the tunnel started. Now the construction of both tunnels has stopped due to the budget. An additional budget of 240 crores will be required for their construction. Student of 5th grade went under mental stress due to harassment of school management. The 5th grade student was so harassed by the school management that she went into mental stress due to non-payment of annual fund amid corona crisis. The student is now treated at Indira Gandhi Medical College Hospital, Shimla. The sensational allegations have been made by the parents of the girl child, which is under investigation. DC has directed the Deputy Director of Education to investigate the matter. Lahaul Spiti ranks second nationwide in TB eradication. The tribal district of Lahaul Spiti has been second in the country in TB eradication. For better performance, the Union Health Minister has honored the district with a silver medal. Dr. Jagdish Tanda, a senior doctor posted at Kelong Hospital during the ceremony held in Delhi, has received this honor. The inaccessible district, which has been snow-capped for 6 months in the year, is a big thing to awarded at the national level in the eradication of TB. Prize money of crores of panchayats dropped in cleanliness stuck. Many panchayats of the state have not yet received the prize money in the Swachh Bharat Mission Rural. Crores of rupees of these panchayats are stuck. In the Swachh Bharat Mission, Rural Maharishi Valmiki Sampurna Swachh Puraskar Yojana, started in the year 2017-18, has selected the cleanest panchayats from the block, district and each mandal. For this, the teams have inspected the panchayats. But the prize for their hard work is now hanging in the middle. Adulteration of sand in floor. Adulterated flour was being supplied from a flour mill in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. Adulteration of sand was being done in flour. The food inspector of the civil supply ordered the worker to make chapatis on the spot and asked the owner of the mill to eat, which he refused to eat. Then he realized his mistake. According to the information received, Vinod Kapil, posted as Inspector in Civil Supplies Department, Gurmarvi, raided the warehouse of the flour mill in Bilaspur on Wednesday and found adulterated flour there. The day-to-day operations will be dealt easily by the blinds. Students of Computer Science Department of NIT Hamirpur have invented a new device. The six-member team of NIT has proved their talent by winning the prestigious Smart India Hackathon Hardware Edition 2020 award. Using artificial intelligence, they have invented a device called Vision, second eye for the visually impaired. Regulatory Commission will investigate bank accounts of private universities. Bank accounts of private universities of Himachal Pradesh will now be investigated. The State Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commission has been approved by the government to scrutinize the accounts. A private polytechnic college sealed due to liabilities. A private polytechnic college in district Hamirpur was sealed on Wednesday due to the bank's pending liabilities. The police team was also present on the spot during this action by the bank. 2 years ago, similar action has been taken against the college concerned after another bank declared a defaulter. The Board of Technical Education also took actions against the college for not meeting the criteria for a professional course. If not registered in HPU, students' result will be stopped. Students of school board and universities seeking admissions in UG and PG degree courses in the admission session 2020-21 from Himachal Pradesh University will have to register online by 15 April. Examination results of the students who do not register will be withheld. In order to ensure that the students does not face any problem in future, instructions for the registration has been given. It is compulsory for every student. Based on this, the students' record in the university will be prepared. Teenager gang raped in Jubbal. A sensational case of gang rape of a teenager has come to light in Jubbal area of Shimla, district of Himachal Pradesh. After receiving the complaint, the police arrested the three accused and started investigation. The teenager is originally from Nepal, while the accused are also being told his relatives. According to the information, the family used to live with a gardener in the area for wages. Ragging with the first year student at Nirchonk Medical College. A case of ragging has come to light at Nirchonk Medical College in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh. The first year student has accused by a senior medical student and tutor. After this, the relatives complained to the National Anti-Ragging Helpline number. 17 employees of 108 and 102 ambulance union dismissed. 17 employees of the 108 and 102 ambulance employees union have been dismissed. These include coordinators of 10 districts of the state, while other drivers and EMTs are included. After the company dropped out the first 5 EMTs, the employees submitted a demand letter to Health Minister Rajiv Sehgal. Till date, the workers have not received the answer. The Ambulance Employees Union has always had a dispute with the GVK company. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur took charge in the municipal corporation elections. CM Jairam Thakur himself took charge on Wednesday. As soon as the nomination period is over, the BJP's top leadership is in touch with the rebels. In such a situation, the municipal elections have become a question of prestige for CM Jairam Thakur. Transport Minister said in Palampur, tax of private bus operators will not be waived. Transport Minister Bikram Thakur has made it clear that the Himachal Pradesh government has no intention of waiving the tax of private bus operators. The government intends to give some relief to the bus operators. Now, what will be the relief, this government will decide. Teachers Union will surround the directorate if promotion is not done by 31st March. In case of non-promotion of various classes of teachers till 31st March, on Wednesday the union delegation met the directors of higher and elementary education led by Chairman Virendra Chauhan and gave them an ultimatum. The delegation of the Government Teachers Association submitted a memorandum of strike to the Director of Higher Education, stating that Education Department had given an ultimatum of promotion till 31st March. Corona is increasing in Himachal. CM Jairam Thakur gave strike instructions like lockdown. The Himachal Pradesh, the state government is ready to take strict measures like lockdown once again on the increased cases of corona. CM Jairam Thakur gave these hints during the oath-taking ceremony of newly appointed Public Service Commission Chairman Ajay Kumar and member Jai Prakash Kalka held at Raj Bhavan on Wednesday. CM said the corona cases have started to increase once again in the country as well as in the state. The government is monitoring this. On the increasing corona cases in schools, the CM said that the government will hold a review meeting in a day or two. Only then some decision will be taken. He said that these days there are crowds of people in the religious places of the state. SOP has been issued by the administration. Everyone has to make arrangements keeping the guidelines. CBI will arrest bank officer who came under investigation. CBI will arrest bank officer who came under investigation. The CBI will also arrest a bank officer in the charge sheet in a case related to 9 educational institutions under the scholarship scam of 265 crores. Based on the evidence found in the investigation so far, the investigating agency has taken this decision. Under this, early arrest is also possible. The concerned bank officer has also been interrogated. That's all in today's news. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Daily Times.